Hello guys, so today we're going to play Slapdoor 4. So this brand new, so that way I can record properly. So this is the first time I play this game before, because I keep on lagging I think. Okay, let's go. I just left her twice. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, so anyways, let's go beat that game guys. I think it's easy to beat it, but anyways, come on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, do it again, Bacon. Bacon girl Ed. Why did you slap me at the night, huh? Do it again, or else I'll slap you again. Okay. Also, guys, ignore them. Okay. I think I'm going to become easy. Okay. Okay. So we need to be careful. This. Oh. Ah! Don't ever fall, guys. Don't ever fall. Don't fall. Okay. Don't ever throw me again. Oh yeah, I just pushed her. I just pushed her, not throw her, I guess. I don't know. Wait, how can I choose? Can I choose left or right? Oh, this one? Oh, there. Okay. Oh, no, wrong way, wrong way. Don't ever slap me. Don't slap me. Don't slap me, guys. Oh my god. I think this one's easy. Let's go beat that game, guys. Oh, he's so, fast, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to talk about this, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go with this game. Oh, oh wait, I'm at the orange one. Oh, thank you. Bro, he's trying me to catch me. Don't show me. Ouch. Oh no, I'm sorry. Don't show me. Don't show me, guys. Okay, I'm at the skin one. Stop it. Yes, 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 yes. Go, go, go. Ah, no. Okay, guys. Why is it so many guys? Okay, it will take a few minutes. It should take a few minutes ago. Because I keep lagging. Guys, I look like a lagging man. I can't take it. Oh, go right here. My god! Wait, I made the wrong way. Oh, hard, guys. Let's leave this game, guys. I think this one is the low score. I think my mom is interrupted my channel, I guess. I think my parents. Bro, okay, let's try another game because it's so hard. I can't focus right now. Also, this game is so very, very hard. But, oh, you're trying to go like, don't ever do that again. Do it again, girl, like that. Don't ever do that. Or else I'll slap you again. Do it again. Hey, stop it. I don't ever do it again. What the heck is wrong with that girl, Bro, why do I keep lagging? Bro. Okay. Bro, why do I keep lagging? What the heck? Oi, what are you doing? Do it again. Bro, I need to beat the game. I don't know, guys. I don't know what the voice is. I need to beat this game, but I don't know. So I don't know how to talk. I don't know how to talk. They keep interrupting. I don't know. I don't know what to say about. Okay, let's go. Okay, this wait, why does he has a bounty? I don't. I think I don't know. Bro, I out of 0 to 10. Zero score. I'm going to play another game, guys. This game sucks. I need to play Slap Tower 3, guys. This Slap Tower 4 sucks. This is 0 out of 10. That's why I hate this game. I like this Slap Tower 3. It's not fun. Because it's probably super hard. I think I'm going to become, I don't know, famous, I think. So please give me 1K. Yeah. Alright, what are you doing? Bro, why does Acorn is so annoying? Oh wait, who just... Bro, why does Acorn is annoying? Stop lagging. Or else, Acorn is just, you know what, I'm going to rejoin the another server. Why does Acorn is annoying? They keep on slapping me. You Acorn. Huh? Bro, I keep on lagging. Okay. Let's join. Wait, hold on. Do it again. Hey, Acorn now. Oi. Do it again. Do it again. What you doing? Oi. Do it again. Oi. Oi. I'm going to read. Okay, guys. Okay. I think I'm going to just be later as I don't. But I need to beat this game. You Acorn, huh? Do it again, Acorn. Do it again. Let's go to. Nah, I don't like it. Do it again, Acorn. Do this again, or else I'll slap you. Okay, let's go. Let's slap everyone. Do it again, Bacon. Don't kiss me. Let's go. If I slippery again, so do it again. Do it again, Acorn, huh? You do it again. Leave if you want. Do it again, Acorn, huh? Minion. What are you doing? Minion, huh? Do it again, Acorn. And also you, girl, Leda. Do it again. Oh, go, 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 go. Let's go run. Let's go run. Don't show me. Don't show me. I will show. I will show. I'll show first. Okay, let's go beat that game, guys. Let's go beat that three. I don't know. Three stage, I think, guys. Three. Well, how can I focus because I keep sweaty. I can't even lag, but I don't know. Let's go beat that game, guys. Because she's far away. No, I need to catch quickly, guys. Let's go beat that game. Okay, so far I am being easy mode. Up, don't fall. Don't fall, don't fall. If I'm sweaty again, I'm going to be stopped. Oh, oh, oh. Go to the ladder, guys. I think I'm gonna win. I think I'm gonna win, guys. Win slap all three. Slap all two, four. Gotta be hard, super hard. And also, let's go play this laptop. Are you Siok? What the heck happened? Oh, wait, who are you? Hey, Siok, what is your name? What is your name? Siok, most people. Rude. Run for Siok. Siok, I'm sorry. Siok, I won't do it again. I'm sorry. Sorry, Big. Sorry, Siok. Siok, stop. Stop, Bacon. Hey, do it again. Siok. Oh, they cute. Oh, cool, thank you. Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Ouch, thank you. I won't do it again. Don't, guys. Don't, I don't know. Who are you? I don't know what your name is. Bro, why do I keep lagging? Then, easy mode. I think I am sweaty. So, also my sweat glands are getting fast. And I'm actually, I cannot beat it because my hands sweaty. Beat hands too. Now I can't focus because I can't do it, I guess. Let me just try. Oh, see you. See you. See you. Let's go. Okay, goodbye, guys.